Today I'm going to show you how to sew a really unique project on the Melco SUMMIT with the Fast Clamp Pro at its widest setting. Today I'm going to do an extra high top sneaker. First we'll get our shoe onto the machine, so I'll just open up my Fast Clamp. Here I've got 2 layers of tearaway backing. This is actually cap backing for a little extra stability. We will lay this onto our clamp, and then we're going to fold the edges down around my lower clamp arms so I can take it off, give it a nice hard crease on those fold lines, just like so. That way this will cup my lower clamp arms and hold the backing into place. Then we will take our shoe. I'm going to line the top stitching up with the outer right edge, my right clamp arm, just so I've got a nice straight reference line. So we will thread this onto the machine, making sure that our backing stays in place. So once I've got it roughly where I want it to, I'm just going to gently close the clamp. I'm not fully securing it, just so I can step back, inspect it, make sure my fabric is nice and flat. If I need to stretch it out at all, I can. Then I will fully close these clamps and tighten down my thumb screws on these top jaws to keep it in place. Before I start my shoe, I'm going to give it a quick trace, just to make sure it's right where I want it to be. Once I'm happy with my placement, I'll just hit the start button. Now that our shoe is done, we'll go ahead and take it off the machine. Don't forget to close your clamps. And here's the final product.